How to make profit analysis. I talk about this in this video. When we do profit analysis with Excel, we need to use many formulas, but it is very easy to do this in PowerBI. This is our previously created model. Here you can see which tables have relationships. Let's check our data tables. In our table named Data, there are sales quantity, product price and product cost information. Let's create a measure table where we will see the formulas we will create together. The first thing we need to do in profit analysis is to find the sales amount and the total cost. We need to use SUMX when making these calculations. We need this formula because the SUMX function performs row-based operations. If you use the sum formula, we will get the wrong result because it will make a column-based sum, not a row-based. As you can imagine, to calculate profit, we need to subtract the total cost from the total amount. Use our profit formula in tables. Don't forget to change the display of the profit form. You can turn off the digits and follow these steps to make them more readable. You can easily show your total data using cards. In addition, let's calculate the profit margin. Using the slicer you can see the calculations for a certain time period. You can increase the visuality of our tables by converting them to stacked bar graphs. You can show a certain number of contexts by filtering the graphs with the top-end feature. Using the tree map, you can easily see the shares of the values from the total. With the Edit Interactions feature, you can have your tree map chart filter other graphics instead of highlighting them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.